Today's top news headlines: 19 feared death as footbridge in Gujarat collapsed days after repairs. Cable snap around 7 pm under 400 strong holiday crowd. At least 90 people were feared death and scores injured when a just renovated 140-year-old suspension bridge over the Alkaline Macho River in Gujarat Morbi collapsed Sunday evening under the weight of an estimated 400-strong holiday crowd. Barely 5 days after the structure had been reopened to the public, that all could exceed 100 sources that Morbi MLAs and Minister of the State Bridges Mirza confirmed 6 odd deaths as the prefect in finding survivors appearing to team around 10:30 pm, almost 4 hours after the bridge came down in a cacophony of snapping iron cables and horrified scream. Officials said that tragedy occurred between 6:30 and 7 pm. Rajkot Lok Sabha MP Mohan Kundaria, who lived in Morbi, confirmed to TOI that 50 bodies has been fished out and 100 odd injuries survivors shifted to hospital. The thin clear of LG is making the search operation a hunting task in the dark. He said a team of AFI commandos left from Jamnagar to assist in the rescue operation. Ambulance and doctors from nearby district have rescued to Morbi. Mirza said PM Narendra Modi has cancelled his Ahmedabad road show slated from Monday. Minister of State for Building Jagdish Panchal said it was possible the British-era bridge collapsed due to overloading, since not less than 400 tickets were issued in the period. Prima facie, it has suspected that there were more people on the bridge than its capacity.